Welcome to the section Deployment Options with Azure PowerShell. In this section, we're going to cover Azure Resource Manager templates. I'll show you how to deploy an ARM template to a resource group, and then how to save a resource group deployment as an ARM template. Welcome to the video Getting Started with ARM Templates. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clone all of the samples from the Azure Resource Manager templates Git repo. And then we're going to discuss the basics of how and why you might want to use ARM templates. Azure Resource Manager templates provide a consistent and repeatable template that you can use to deploy resources over and over again. One of the most effective ways that you can use Resource Manager is to load the extension Azure Resource Manager tools. You can search for it in the Visual Studio Code Extensions Marketplace and install, reload your Visual Studio Code, and this will give you some tools for adapting resources in the Azure Resource Manager into scripts and templates that you can use over and over again. To get you started, there's a large selection of templates for a wide variety of Azure resources. Anything from creating a couple of virtual machines to creating a large environment, installing software, separate images, multiple virtual machines all running together, and everything that you could possibly imagine. A great way to get started with this is just to clone that Git repo. So I'll show you how to do that. Create a repos directory and enter that repos directory, and then clone the Azure Quick Start templates. This takes just a moment to download, and when it's completed, there will be a couple hundred different templates. All of the Azure resource templates are JSON files, which have a format all of their own and can take some getting used to. Let's take a look here at the templates. We can see anything from full WordPress stacks. Here's Visual Studio, Ubuntu, TFS, so many products, and as well up here there are also all of these 201s, 301s. These are just some more complex templates. There are also some 101s to kind of get you started and just understand how a simple ARM template can function. In the upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how to use the new Azure RM Resource Group Deployment and the Save Azure RM Resource Group Deployment template commandlets to deploy the 101 VM Simple Windows template.